I made a trading indicator, and this indicator is something that I want to share with the trading community because I understand how tough it is for some people to understand what trading is. So from the time I started my trading, I always adopted this mentality that I had from way back when in my medical practice, is explain it as if you're explaining it to a 3-year-old, because not everybody will understand medical terms. And for sure, not everybody will understand Forex terms, because some of these things that you guys teach, most people might not understand. And it's not everybody that will get a strategy, use it to the fullest potential that it's supposed to be used, follow all the rules on top of that, and become profitable. So it is very important that whatever it is that we do, we make it as simple as possible. Because when you make anything simple, everybody can participate in it. That's why we develop the systems that we develop. That's why we develop the indicators that we develop. So without further ado, let me show you what this indicator does. So we were trading a pair called volume 20. This is on a Weltrade account. For those that don't have a Weltrade account, the link is in the description. Just click on that, open an account. It's one of the easiest pair you can trade because these things follow price action to the T. They don't play around, they follow price action to the T. So if you're looking for a simple pair to trade, look no further than volume 20. Okay, you have to open a synthetic account. Once you do that, then search for volume 20. I'm sure it's going to be one of the first pairs to pop up. Put it on there, and if you have the indicator or the trading robot that I use, the Golden Nugget, the new robot that we've developed, this pair can be traded by these instruments that we've built. So as you can see, by the time I started recording, the market had already moved. The indicator gives you an entry point where you can enter. It gives you the figure enter at such a point, so that as the market is moving and it has seen that there's a signal here, it will pop up, tell you to enter here, stop loss placed here, and gives you 3 options for take profit. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. Okay, because it wants you to have a flexible trading plan, so to say. So because you can either choose to trade a 1:1, meaning if you're risking a $10, you're making an extra $10. Or if you're risking a $10, you want to make a $20, which is TP2. Or if you are risking a $10, you want to make a $30, then you're going for a TP3, just like that. So these are the options that are available depending on your type of trading that you want to do at that particular time. The indicator is there to guide you. So later on, as the trade moved, as you can see, once it hits take profit or take profit 1 or take profit 2, it will specifically say take profit hit. Or if the full signal is hit, like all 3 TPs, it will say 3 full TP hit. If TP1 is hit, it will say TP1 is hit. So the reason why we designed this is majority of the people randomly trade. When they execute a trade, they have no idea where to place a stop loss. You find that they either place it very close or very far away, which is irrelevant. Okay, and the risk to reward ratio is sometimes off. You find that the stop loss is far bigger than the take profit. So the reason why we built this is to guide you guys that are having that challenge. Yeah, so that once you understand that this is where I'm supposed to place my stop loss, this is where I can place my take profit, everything becomes easier. As simple as ABC. Explaining it to a 3-year-old. That's the concept that we have adopted here at ZSource Forex, because we want it to be an all-inclusive kind of thing. Back then, we used to only see people that are super brainy trading, but now everybody can participate if you have these tools to guide you, to make things simpler for you on your behalf. Now, bear in mind, this is not a holy grail. It's not something that all the trades are gonna hit TP. No, some trades might hit stop loss. You know how the market is dynamic. But the goodness of these instruments is that once you put it on, you're able to be guided. You won't lose more than what you have in your account. Okay, and majority of the time you're gonna be winning more than losing, because if you're risking a 1:3, most of the time your wins are more than your losses. At the end of the day, compounding to be a profit at the end of the day. So That's the advantage of using these tools. Try them out. Contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's on the screen here somewhere. Hit me up if you're interested in this robot. It's quite very much affordable. It's not something that will burn a hole in your pocket, because we want you to participate in trading as well. So remember, these instruments are there to guide you. Okay, they're not holy grail to say automatically you're going to become a millionaire, you should over risk or over leverage your accounts. No. But trade safe. Always remember, people day keeps poverty away.